Many companies, the company class is not required. So it's not a part of their pay. So they can take it or they don't have to. But in your case, you make a requirement. You have to take company class unless you're sick or injured. It's a part of your life. That 90-minute company class, a daily technique class, is a part of your life. That 90 minutes will set you up correctly for the rest of the day, mentally and physically. I personally always feel that way. If I didn't take that class, I go to rehearsal, I just don't feel right. I mean, it's downright scary. I don't think I ever did it without technique class, go on stage to perform. That is absolutely no-no. Even though, let's say you quote a ballet, you just go up there and be imposed or do something, don't even go on point, but that's not the case. The company class prepares you mentally, prepares you to organize your body and mind. And that is an essential process for a professional life.